Guys, my name is Regan and welcome back to yet another episode in our YouTube channel. And today's episode is quite special. I'll be doing a Boda POV. For those who don't know, Boda is like using of small CC engine motorbikes to ferry people from one place to another in return of money. So I have like 3 apps on my phone, that is Uber, Bolt and Faras, that they work as the cars. The only difference is that the return that you get is a little bit small compared to the car. So one thing you need to note is that you're likely to get triple the amount of money you put on fuel. So let's say if I put 500 shillings worth of fuel, I'm expected to get a take home of 1,000 shillings, and the 500 will go back to the fuel again. So let's see how the day will go. Here is my GoPro. This one is the setup. The GoPro is sealed, so you might not hear the voice, but I think the video will be doable. So let's check out. It's 7 in the morning and I'll be going to get the motorbike from where I always park it. Shout and subscribe, share, like and comment.
125 adventure.
I'm supposed to use these 3 apps to make money. So this one here is Uber, and you can see from there Uber has made us 744 shillings. That one is 700. You can see here we have a 5-star rating. This one here is my account. We have a 5-star rating. And then we have Bolt. And ahead, dead end. One thing you don't want is to feel suspicious, or to make anyone feel like you are recording them. I'm from doing a delivery. I'm from doing a delivery in Kikuyu, which was like what, 1,000 or 1,500 shillings. So, which is fairly good, 1,500 shillings, considering the fact that we are not using our bike is not a high, doesn't consume a lot of fuel. So we are open. You can book us for delivery. you can book us for delivery now that you are doing the guys. So let's see how much we'll make in a week. Yep. See you in the evening when you are done with the work, because right now we're just about to start grinding. Down here we also have a delivery. This one is also a delivery. So I dropped something and I've also picked another thing. It's fine, man. It's fine. Do the guys. Come back. You guys make money, but you don't say. See you, man. And this is how the bike looks. The bike looks crazy. And then we have here the Masai logo. This one is my brand. Yeah, you can see from the added light, it looks fine. Yup. So let's see.